word problems like this can be really tricky. A big part is just learning how to translate some key phrases from the English into the math. So let's look at the word at least. If you're at least a certain value, you're at that value or more. So if you had at least three apples, you could have 3 apples or 4 apples or 3.5 apples or 5 apples. Anything 3 or greater is at least 3. So when you see that those words at least, you're going to use the greater than symbol. So for that first one, we have at least negative 276. So we're greater than negative 276. And so to fill in now the left side of the problem, 23 greater than b is at least negative 276. So if you're greater than a certain value, you've added on to that value. So you could say something like 7 is 3 greater than 4. Because when you take 4 plus 3, you get 7. 7 is 3 greater than 4. So 23 greater than b, you have whatever value b is, and you take 23 greater than that. You add on 23, and sorry, my greater than symbol looks so ugly. I should have fixed that earlier. That result there is at least negative 276. So it's greater than negative 276. And actually, to say at least, I should have greater than or equal to, because equal to, that line underneath means that it could be exactly negative 276, which that would mean it's at least negative 276. Or anything bigger than that. So greater than or equal to negative 276. Looking at this next one, this part over here is at least 150. So I'm going to switch color here. That part over there is greater than or equal to 150. 150 is the least it could be, but it can be that or anything greater. And then what we have here, 15 greater than y. And so for that part, 15 greater than y, think of addition. So we had whatever value y is, and we want 15 more than that, 15 greater than that. And that value is going to be at least, at the very minimum, it's 150, but it could be anything greater than 150 as well. And then to solve these, you try to get y by itself, or b by itself in this one, but here we're going to subtract 15 from both sides. Y needs to be any value greater than or equal to 135. And if that's the case, then 15 greater than 135 would be at least 150. So that's our solution.